My video guide is about removing the ransomware called Bbyy. Bbyy is the name of the ransomware belonging to the ransomware family called DJVU. We discovered this Bbyy ransomware while analyzing malware samples that were submitted to the virus total database. You can clearly see that before the ransomware attack, there were no troubles opening the files, but regretfully, because of some existing vulnerabilities in the defense of the specific computer, this Bbyy ransomware may be easily injected into the computer, and then the files are damaged and encrypted. So Bbyy ransomware encrypts files and renames these files. It also creates a special ransom note and appends the Bbyy extension to the file names. Pretty soon after people restart their computer or sign out and sign in again, they notice some really bad consequences of this ransomware attack. And it is not possible to open these files anymore because this Bbyy extension is now added to the files. So you will soon see the results of the ransomware attack. This Bbyy ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay the special ransom for file recovery. The ransom amount is $980 and the developers of this ransomware tell that if you pay the ransom within 72 hours, the ransom amount decreases down to $490. But believe me, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that your files would be restored. So you should not pay the ransom because you may simply waste your money for nothing. And now you can clearly see the consequences of the ransomware attack. You try to open the specific file and you get this message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Bbyy extension that was added. Removing the extension manually does not fix the issue and does not decrypt the files. First of all, I recommend you to check the task manager in your computer. If you find any suspicious processes like this one with the long and random name, right-click on it and end its task. This can help you save some of the files from being encrypted. Considering removing this ransomware, I recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Anti-Ransomware for this purpose. Get it on this page, combocleaner.com. Download the application, install the software, and then start the program. It will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your system. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only this quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. Most likely the application would first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is definitely crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature allows you to add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will always be protected against ransomware encryption and ransomware attacks. So simply wait until the scanning has been successfully completed by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The scanning might take several minutes depending on how infected your system is and also depending on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. As I said, at the end of the scan you'll see the information mentioning the types of threats, their exact locations on your system. Even though some of these threats can indeed be deleted manually, we strongly advise that you upgrade to Premium. This is the best way to protect your entire computer from being infected and to protect your files from being damaged by any other ransomware. And please find the detailed link, the detailed guide about this Bbyy ransomware in the description for the video.